change your mind. I'm a Thursday night, I am still free. It depends on me. If you need me, let me know. Gonna be around. If you got no place to go and you're feeling down, depends on me. It depends on me. There was something in the air tonight. The stars were bright, Fernando. There was shining up for you and me, for me and me, Fernando. Though we never thought we could lose, there's no risk. You might have to gonna say again, I want my gift that door. Don't tell me what's wrong. You're retreating down your own sorrow. In your eyes, there is no hope for tomorrow. You can see that when I cry, but the sun is spinning in the sky and shining above you.
bomb. You're my sex bomb, and baby you can turn me on. Turn me on. Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb, and you can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb. You're my sex bomb, and baby you can turn me on. Which is all you ever want. She's the kind who likes to float and take a dinner. Well, she always know her place. She's a star, she's the grace. She's a leader. Oh yeah, and she's a lady. Oh, 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 she's a lady. I'm talking about the little lady. Yeah, the lady's mine. Your old town looks the same as this come down from the train, and let's admit me, it's my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary. Here go, and lips like cherries, it's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all go to sweetly unwritten, smiling sweetly, baby, it's good to touch the green grass of home. Sa thông dân một ly I've been lost so many times. I thought I could score, but now you're treating me so wrong. I can't take it anymore, and it looks like why I'm never gonna fall in love. That's why I'm singing fall in love. In love, I need it. Oh, in why see the lights in the night that I pass by her window? Why see the flickering shadows of love on her blind? Lost my woman. Why should you see me? I watch and wear on my mind. Why, Delilah? Why, Delilah? and I feel such a long way from home. Yes, I know that our love is still real, but I promise it's gonna be true. Please let me stay, won't you send me away? Oh no. Tell me, baby, that you need me, say you'll never leave me. Oh, love me tonight. Baby, now the baby's stronger than wait a moment longer. Love me tonight. Something is burning inside. Something you can't be denied. Why can't you let you on my side, darling? Love me tonight. Love me tonight. And I know we live together in perfect harmony, side by side in my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? We all know the people are the same. Wherever you go, there's a feeling there in everyone. We learn to live, we learn to give each other what we need to survive. Together alive, every day, and I know we live together in perfect harmony, side by side in my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? I believe, living in a perfect harmony. I believe. We know the people are the same. Wherever you go, there's a feeling there in everyone. We learn to live, we learn to give each other what we need to survive. We're together in perfect harmony, side by side in my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? Side by side in my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we?
And once again, we have the J&J band all the way from Barangay Balbuena, Binili, Ilocos Norte. On and managed by Mr. Ray Abad and Madam Marby Fernandez Iglesia. Together with the J&J License Sound, also located at Barangay Balbuena, Binili, Ilocos Norte. On and managed by Mr. Jonathan Espinosa. Together with the Tunbalan Funeral Services, located at Barangay Bangsar Bacnan, Ilocos Norte, and their dances in Nueva Era and Pinili. On and managed by the Tunbalan Brothers, of course, and with the Axel Photography all the way from Solsona. On and managed by Mr. Axel de la Cruz. And I would like to introduce the members of the band. On this, we have Jonathan Espinosa. And of course, on drums, we have Dixon. Yala Orete. And of course, I am Jay. I am Jay. I am Christina. And we are the band called J&J Band. second and final set. Ayan, talaga kita agkanta or ada request na apo giganit awang request tayo. Ano po ba kayo tayo?
Ganda rin kami malpasin na po.
Ada agkanta ma'am, agkanta.
Ada kanta,
Ay, ada agkanta.
ay ada guessing.
Ayan, mekan ma'am, sayang dati oras tayo.
Yes, ito kanitong
Oo. Iti kung daway yo apo di umay agkanta umay kayon. Yes. Anat kantaan tayo Mare? Ay. Mare, po ba yan?
I look into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble in your mind, you're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It'll be okay, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart Remember when you called and said goodbye? You thought we lost it all, and so did I. And even if I lost you, I wouldn't feel the same, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. To stay, I will love you till they take my heart Now stronger than before, we made it through. Now never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? Can you hear me say ate.
Alec, right? Alec! Yes!
Ah.
Yay! Mom, Alec.
Ay, one more daw, ate.
One more daw.
Love you, keep us alive.
Love will keep us alive.
A beautiful song from the Eagles. Awesome.
Now standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Breathe. Sometimes you just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I would die for you, climb the highest mountain, baby. There's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will kiss us alive. Time for you, climb the highest mountain, baby. There's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
Thank you so much po. Sa sobrang galing na guest singer natin,
Oo.
Ma'am Alec.
Mukhang makakakita na ako ng singer natin.
Oo. Nice.
Ayan, dapat gayong ano ti agas. Ade may
Meron pa.
ibagbaga na tatay. Umaikan apo, ayan mo.
Sino pa po yung isang
Diyan
guest?
namin maawatan tati ibagbagada iso nga ayabak tulatan ko na.
Saan po?
Ayan, nasan na po yung isa nating guest singer dyan? Ade ibagbagada tati ito'y tawangin, jak maawatan, sorry. Ayan, did you guest singer?
Guest
Sika, sir? Ay. Po? Chris Godwin.
Miss Chris.
Chris.
Ay, babae ba yan? O
Come
lalaki?
here.
Asan ka
Ah,
po?
yun.
Wow! May kan ading
May can. Malay mo, magkaroon ka ng blue, yellow,
yes.
ganon. Pero pag may blue kahati tayo, ha? Ay, sorry.
Wow, heaven knows ka nung by orange and apple. Ay, lemon.
Lemon. Ay, wow.
Lemon, gala. Sorry. Ayan, palakpakan ko naman ni Mr. Chris.
Ay, grabe, support yan, ha?
Marami siyang fans.
Grabing support. Anong pangalan mo ulit? Chris Godwin. Alam, support.
Where are the fans of Mr. Chris?
There were times
When I'm not in my head, I feel in my eyes. I like this here, it's already. How much of that saying as I keep on.
days in this moment of mine.
Having all the time cause these angels are away. Living in dark and easy. I'm sorry,
But it's great to say. Ay, abot fans na.
Other fans ni Ading Chris.
Ang dami niyang supporter, ah.
Yeah, sino pa?
Oh, ayan, wala na po ba tayong guest?
Meron pa po?
Wala na? Kung wala na kami na po.
Umasidegan.
O ba si Degen, may kayo. Darsan niyo.
Megan.
Dali, dali!
Ikaw, sir? Sir, Tagalog lang ha. Gigigil ako English ha.
Yes po. Wow!
Finally!
Thank you so
much.
Pati tayo marigala.
Finally! Di na rin kami na-nervyusin dito. She believes in me. Kenny Rogers naman tayo ngayon eh.
Kaya pala kumantay na lang ako. Tuligas sa namin.
While she lay sleeping, stay late at night and play my songs. Sometimes so the nights can be so long. It's good when I finally get home all alone. While she lays dreaming, I try to get undressed without the light. And quietly she says, how was she like? And I come to her and say, it was alright. And I hold her tight. And she believes in me. I never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could chase the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has faith in me. And so I go and try and faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I'll find a way. When she lays waiting, I fumble to the kitchen for a bite. And if I say, how was she like? Just waiting for me like a secret friend. There's no one while she lays crying. Fumble with a melody or two, and I'm torn between the things that I should do. And she says to wake her up when I'm through. I'm in love. She While she
Galing! Kaya, one more down sa'yo. One more song. Ayan, ito na, para daw sa mga umiinom ngayon.
naulpi adawen simang bay kanya sikat ay nagaw namin nga tayo dito'y na nabayaga panawen nga nagipura Naglutin sa di sinagabang Bayak kaawan mo, awan patik dahil tulitan Pinubos ka turas sa naglemes itaan
Dagdagan mo ko yan dyan, ha? Ikaw ang natagtag dyan. Ayun!
Bayan, paawan mo, awan patik dahil tulitan
Sana ulat lang.
Pinubos ko turas sa naglemes iiarat Barbay ko na asikatan malipatan Ganun naglabesen Sa pamanintay awagan Lakas ang yakuting mo kalak-amak Tapos kung payen na uray mo papataya Di mo pinagulog ang bubos ko na ayan Nilang sinap itapuso Tanong nagkakas lilipa Lakas ang yakuting mo kalak-amak Tapos kung payen na uray mo papataya Di mo pinanunod itong bubos ko na ayan na sa puso. Itanim na katas lilitan.
Alright. Dagdagan mo yan, sir, ha? More, sir, more. Diba? Ayos, okay. Thank you so much po, sir. Ayun, galing ni sir, ha? Maka-English, Ilocano, pwede. Ayan, kaboses niya po Freddie Aguilar. Diba? Yes, okay. Punta na tayo sa mga Ilocano songs.
Di maliw, nulungat di ilim, itilog sa ratang, di dagat ang langit. Nangayag abuya, di maimatangan, naisip maibarik mo. Hindi ba nang may sa kabilang, nulog sa isip niya, bumbay kong isardang, agari king ulime. Agariam tinangis, kablong terang ay daladang, kas nagagato'y singay ko.
Thank you so much, sir, for the compliment.
Kau may kasarunggaran, surat walang litrato, bilang tuwang pangkalanya, lain ang pangipapasa, tuwing iniwan na nasulat. Kasi kakililiwan tuwing musike ringan Diyan lang naman nga kaya takin yang mo pagkayaan tuloy balik rin nabindot ka o biyak kasi rasa ko si sikat anin ko sikat ikaw na nga pinala kita kasi kakililiwan di musike ringan Diyan lang naman nga kaya takin yang mo pagkayaan tuloy balik rin nabindot ka o biyak ko kasi rasa ko si kakililiwan sikat anin ko nabindot ka o biyak ko kasi rasa ko si kakililiwan sikat anin ko kasi kakililiwan sikat anin ko Thank you so much po sa mga pumalakpak. Kasi diyan maakulong na nakapugan ko kakasunan ako
Okay, para man ka na masusuliso. Aray ko. Nuturo mo, kayak dagita mo ka. Mariknag nga ada, ibang pagka. Binadas ko, masakat ay liklikap, nga magaling, di kinarukot ni pada. Iklikan ka, tunggal nagwayas ka. Dahil nung mapinga, dahil pirit na. Tapi puso, kada tarang kadikwa, ujak kayak nga dagladingi, gapukin ka. Ikaw ang agyan, inaragsak mo. Kung naman tayarin na, diyang tupulos ka ka, magkasuka pa. Liklik-likan ka, tunggal nagwayas ka. Tapnon mapenda, dahil pirit na. Tapi puso, kada tarang kadikwa, jakayan nga dagladingi, gapukin ka. Ngayon, jaksan magawitan, kay dirik na kadakitititan, marik nagkasabi sa may bisibis, di ko inay kaunggan. Suka bakal kaya ngay paparlam.
Yes, ay another request tayo ito.
Finally, we have two requests.
Ayan, another request tayo nga, you raise me up and I can't live without you.
How do I live? How do I live?
live?
Ay, how do I live?
live without you?
Requested by
Yes.
Mr.
Sir Apo Balikbayan nata?
Yes.
Yeah?
I forgot his name.
Balikbahay ko? Okay. Pwede naman sir, balikbahay ko.
am down and almost so weary. When troubles come and my heart burden be, then I just still and wait there in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on sunny seas. I am strong when I'm on your shoulders. How do I, oh, how do I How do I live? How do I
Oh, yes.
live? Barangay Balbuena, PDD, Ilocos Norte. Kupo kinapagpatunan Mr. Ray Abad and Madam Marabig Fernandez sa Iglesia. Pangiramanan pa iti J&J Lights and Sounds. Masalakan lang iti Barangay Balbuena, PDD, Ilocos Norte. Kupo kinapagpatunan Mr. Jonathan Espinosa. Pangiramanan pa iti Tokpalan Funeral Services. Na masalakan pa lang iti Barangay Bansar, Banna, Ilocos Norte and Branches sa Nueva Era at Pinili. Kupo Ken imat matanan iti Tungpalan Brothers. Pagkinamanan pa iti Axel Photography. Na masalakan tayo lang iti Solsona. Kupa ken imat matanan Mr. Alex Benacruz. At iti grupo mi nga pumakpakada kada kayo amin na indag na oras ko. Ngayon lahat ng kanya with my room.